Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A14. Okay, so to do it we need to open up our settings first, then go into connections and make sure that you're connected into Wi-Fi. If you are, then go back, scroll all the way down, find About Phone, then find Software Information. And now we need to tap on the build number a few times in a row until we see that we can enable the developer settings, then click on OK. If you see that developer mode has been enabled, go back into the main page, then scroll down, click on developer options, scroll down again, find OEM unlocking, enable that feature, click on enable. Our bootloader isn't unlocked fully yet. To do it, we need to power off our device, so hold power key and volume down for a little bit until you see the power menu, click on power off. Also, you need to have an USB-C cable that is also connected into your PC or laptop, up to you. And now, to enter the bootloader menu, we need to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding them we need to insert the cable into our phone, and then we need to keep holding those buttons until we see the menu. Also remember that unlocking the bootloader will perform a factory reset of your device, so I highly recommend to create a backup of your data. So now hold both volume keys, now insert the cable, keep holding until you see the menu. Okay, now we need to hold volume up for a few seconds. It's asking us, do we want to unlock the bootloader? Yes, we want, so now click on volume up. Okay, we can see that the bootloader is unlocked. Now we can unplug the cable, we won't be needing it anymore, and now our phone will be turned on within a few seconds. So now we just need to wait, and we'll have to go quickly through the setup process. So then I'll show you how you can verify that everything go okay. We'll go into the settings and we will verify everything. Now we need to wait until the setup process appears on our screen, so I'll see you in a second. Alright, we have our setup process, so now click on Start. Select the language, then click on Next. Click on Next once again. Select that you agree. Click on Next. If you want, you can copy something, it's up to you. In my case, I'll click on Setup manually. For now, we can also skip the Wi-Fi. We'll connect to it later. Then click on Next. Click on Skip for now. Scroll down. Click on Accept, click on Agree, click on Next. Alright, click on Home. Okay, now open up the settings, click on the connections, go into Wi-Fi. Now we are basically verifying did everything go just like it should. So connect to the Wi-Fi once again. First it needs to load. So select the available network for you. Type password to it. Hit the connect button. Oh, I have typed the wrong password, my bad. Okay, it's connected. Now scroll down, about phone, software information, tap on the build number, few times in a row, click on OK, and go back. Developer options, and it needs to look exactly like that. So the OEM unlocking feature needs to be turned on, but it's impossible to turn it off manually from here, and it needs to say bootloader already unlocked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.